Okay, flip flop. So latches are basically basic building of the flip flop. Only thing is in flip flop we have the control circuit. So latch flip flop both have it can store one bit information. What's only different between latch and flip flop? Latch doesn't have the clock signal and flip flop have clock signal. Flip flop it's edge sensitive. So there are types of flip flop: SR flip flop, D flip flop, JK flip flop, T flip flop. Okay, so SR flip flop means we know that that is set and reset flip flop. So this is the basic black diagram for SR flip flop. So set, reset, and there is a clock. If it is clock there, then that is flip flop. So this is logic symbol for SR flip flop. So NOR based SR flip flop. So here there is a NOR circuit and then AND circuit also there. So this is if there is no clock, then we can say it is latch. If it is clock is there, then we can say as flip flop. So control circuit. Non-based SR flip flop. So SR non-based circuit. Um, See, there are four NAND gates are available here. Just feedback. First NAND gates are directly connected to the input, and another input is connected to the clock. Then this NAND gate output is connected to this NAND gate input, and this NAND gate second NAND gate output is connected to this NAND gate. This is a feedback loop, so it is sequential circuit. So this is non-based SR flip flop. So this one is state table. So present state and next state is there. So it is a state table. So clock and present state means we know that. So this is the place. Um, so this is the place is present state, and the output state near is this is one is uh, this is the place next state, and this is the place present state. So present state values are given, then clock values are given. SR flip flop. There are four possibility. So 00, 01, 10, 11. So four possibility. So based on the four possibility, 00 and 11 for that particular uh, uh, case. So similarly for present state and next state. So what's the output? So 0101, then action. What happened? Nothing happened because present state and the next state are both are same. That's why they say saying it is no change. So if it is 0 to 0 means it is see that 1 to 0 means reset, 0 to 1 is set. So see that 0 to 1, so it is set. So like that, even the forbidden state also available. So finally, that forbidden state also it is there in output because everything is one. So it's a forbidden state. The waveform for SR latch, so the input of SR latch and clock and then Q, that's output. So from the table, truth table, we can draw this waveform. The next one is D flip flop. So D flip flop means it's a logical symbol D flip flop. This is for a black diagram for D flip flop. So input and clock signal, output and inverted output, and non-based D flip flop diagram. This one and using SR flip flop. So this one is SR flip flop. We just connected both in one single line, just using inverted. That is D flip flop. Truth table for D flip flop. If it is zero, it is zero. One is one. Then clock is zero. There is no change. State diagram for D flip flop. 0 1. So if it is 0 to 1, it is D. 1 to 0 means it is D bar. So 0 to 0 D bar, 0 to 1 D. So this is a state diagram for D flip flop. So it is very easy only. the state diagram for D flip flop. So 0 1. So 0 to 1 it is D, and 1 to 0 it is D bar, 0 to 0 it is D bar, 0 to 1 is 1. And present state and next state of D flip flop. So present state is 0, and input is 0, then is 0. So 1 means 1. And present state is when it is 0, same thing will be transporting to here. Okay, so similarly, present state is 1, there also same state. 0 means 0, 1 is 1. So whatever the present state is there, the input given, that output is the same. Application of excitation table. Excitation table means um, for D flip flop. So present and next state is there. So present state is 0 0, and next state is 0 1 0 1. Excitation table. So if it is 0, it is 0. If it is 1, if it is 1. 0 0 1 1. Even it is both are same. Application of excitation table and presence table is looking like same. So next state map using the D flip flop. This is D flip flop, and finally and then JK flip flop. Okay, JK flip flop. Yeah, that we will see next video.